I'll be sharing with you 5 habits affecting channel. Like these 5 habits, most YouTubers, especially new YouTubers, are sitting comfortably on this table. Like they never knew this habit is affecting their channel. You might be applying all the techniques, all the tricks of trying to grow your YouTube channel, but some of these little things that you do without even knowing that it's affecting your channel might be killing your channel without you knowing it. Now, one of my friends was complaining the other day about how they never told her the whole truth about being a YouTuber. That is not for the faint-hearted. Trust me. She was just, lamenting and lamenting. And I told her about some of these habits that affected me as well. And I'll tell you the truth is what I'll be sharing with you in this video is from experience, both myself and people, some YouTubers that I know that are experiencing struggles on their channel. They never knew that this habit is what is affecting them until they stop doing that. So I was able to encourage my friend that this, and I pointed it out to her that this might be what is affecting your channel. And she looks at it and she stopped doing one, two, three of it, and now she's trying to come up again. So before you go that it is not working for you, that you've tried all this, watch this video to the end to know if you're doing one or two of these habits, so you can stop it and see whether your channel will grow. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Grow with Stacey. Here we'll talk about how to make money online, offline, using different means available, and how to grow your YouTube channel. If this is the type of content you would love to be seeing, please subscribe to stay tuned for mind-blowing tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make money online. So guys, in this video I'll be mentioning to you 5 different habits that you never knew might be affecting your channel. There are so many people that are doing well, so many YouTubers that are doing amazingly well, but there are so many as well that are struggling. When you scroll through the streets of YouTube, you'll see so many abandoned channels. So many people have tried this, tried that, just to get their channel monetized, to get that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, but it has become a struggle and some of them are giving up already. But I'll be talking about different habits that if you're doing it, you need to stop and see if your channel will improve. And trust me, it's affected me as well until I stopped doing it. Number 1 is making videos of different niches and uploading same on your channel. Trust me, this particular one affected me a lot. For instance, there are a lot of niches you can venture into. We have comedy, we have animation, we have health, we have entertainment, we have how to and style, we have different niches, we have fashion and what have you. So if you're an upcoming YouTuber, you have to choose one niche or even one or two niches. Like if you're choosing how to and style, you know that how to and style, you can do how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make money online. It's just how to and style. And if you're into fashion, focus on fashion. If you're into health, focus on health. If you're into entertainment, focus on entertainment. If you're into vlog, focus on that. What kills most channel is when you're doing personal vlog and you're doing how to and style on the same channel. That will affect your channel growth. It's affected mine as well, and I'm telling you this from experience. Focus on one particular niche and grow from there. You can open 2 YouTube channels and do different niches there, but doing multiple niches on one channel usually affects channel from experience, and it affected my friend as well. The second is uploading short and long videos on same channel. It's true that short will help you to get subscribers, make your video go viral and stuff like that, but it will kill your channel. If you're trying to get 4,000 watch hours and you are uploading both short and long videos on your channel, trust me, it will be very difficult for you. Though you might say that it's working for some persons, but try to see if that is what is affecting your channel. At a point, it affected my channel and I stopped posting short. Like if you check my channel and I could not see a single short, I deleted all of them because it was affecting my channel. So posting long videos and short videos at the same time, like you post long video today, so when you're posting short, it will affect your channel growth, like especially the watch hour. Your watch hour will decrease, your long videos views. The short will affect your long videos views. Trust me, if you are doing this, check if It's one of the things that is affecting your channel. Stop it and see whether your channel will grow. The third one is inconsistency. Like so many people are not consistent with posting videos. If you choose to be posting videos every day, stick to it. If you choose to be posting every 2 days, stick to that. If you choose to be posting once a week, twice a week, just stick to that and be consistent with this. If you're making videos daily and all of a sudden you decide to make videos today and wait till next week to post again, YouTube algorithm might find it difficult to carry your video. It might affect your channel growth as well. The fourth one is your inability to optimize your video. Video optimization is very key when you want your channel to grow because it helps YouTube recommendation. It will help YouTube to recommend your video. When you want to optimize your video, talk about thumbnail, making a good thumbnail, an attractive thumbnail, making, giving a good description to your videos, and putting your video in the right category. It will enable YouTube to recommend your video to the right people. Doing all these things before uploading your videos, optimizing your videos before uploading them, will help your videos to grow. If you're not optimizing your videos, maybe it's what is affecting your channel. Check that and see your channel will grow. The last but not the least is discouragement. I mean, comes naturally. Like if you're uploading a video and nobody is watching. I mean, you upload today, tomorrow you're having 1 view, 2 views, 10 views, at most 100 views, at most sometimes no view at all. Naturally you get discouraged. Discouragement is what has made so many persons to abandon their channels, because trust me, it's not for the faint-hearted. If you're uploading videos and nobody is watching, it's not for the faint-hearted. But I'll tell you one thing, that quitting or getting discouraged will only kill your channel. The best you can do is to keep posting even when no one watches. So far, YouTube is your side hustle. It doesn't stop you from doing your normal daily activity or your work or anything. Keep posting. One day you'll be very amazed on how your channel will pick up and skyrocket. That is what I am telling you. I have more than one channel, and one of my channels, same thing happened. Like I wasn't getting views. I kept on posting. No, I was surprised that one day this channel just picked up like this, and before you know it, I started getting views and subscribers. So discouragement is one of the habits that kills many YouTube channels. So don't be discouraged. Keep posting even when no one watches. That will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates on how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful.